Permutations and combinations, exercise 7.1. We have completed 2 questions and I have also explained how and when to apply multiplication principle or addition principle depending on the question and task. Now we will solve the third question. How many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet if no letter can be repeated? So here we have made a list, given part and what task we have to perform. So they have given 10 letters to us, 10 letters of the English alphabet. So 10 letters. So 10 letters from A to J. Right? Now the task is we have to form a 4-letter code. 4-letter code. Right? Using these letters, and the condition is the repetition is not allowed. First, let us understand what is a 4-letter code here and what actually we have to find. So from A to J, we can form many codes, right? Like we can have A, D, E, F, one code, okay, number 1. Then D, I, J, B, another code, right? So like that, how many such codes you can form? Can you keep on writing? Can you list all the codes? So it's a very lengthy and it's going to take a lot of time, right? So there comes the fundamental principle of counting. This is counting, like you have to count how many ways are there. So by using fundamental principle of counting, we are going to find out how many such ways are there. Okay, now let us solve the problem. So 4-letter code. So second letter, third letter and 4-letter. So this is a code. Now how many ways are there to fill this position? So from A to J, there are 10 letters available. So we can use any of the 10 letters, right? So there are 10 letters. Instead of writing letters, we will write 10 ways. So you can fill this by using any of the 10 letters, 10 ways. Now what about this position, the third position? So here, since we have already utilized one letter, let us say I have used F here, then now I cannot write F once again, right? So now I don't have 10 letters. I have only 9 letters left since I've already used this F here. So we have 9 letters to fill here. So we will write 9 ways. Now the second position. So in the second position, let us say we have taken E and F here. So if you have taken E and F, now you don't have 10 letters. You have only 8 letters left with you, right? So here you can fill in 8 ways. And the first position here, obviously 3 letters are already used, and out of 10, 3 letters are used. So we have only 7 ways to fill this, right? Now this is a 4-letter code, right? So this is a 4-letter code. That means to form one single code, you have to do all the events simultaneously, like following. After this you have to do this, you need to do this, right? This and this and this and this, then only you're going to get a code. So here and is the keyword, right? So to form a single code, this and this and this and this, all the events must be performed one after the other. So here we have to apply multiplication principle. So by multiplication principle, the total number of 4-letter code. So you'll get 7 ways into 8 ways into 9 into 10. So therefore you'll have 5040 ways. So that means from 10 letters, first 10 letters, you can create up to 5040 codes. 5040 codes.